Jack's right on me now. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Regular Wednesday night race night. Bit of a lighter turnout tonight. TLR 22 5.0 DC Elite after service. This is the second time running it now after the service. I was just trying to get that dialed in where I can balance it out with that brass weight. Still trying to figure that out. You can move the battery back and forth with the TLR, and I've moved it back one position, and that has helped it out a little bit. So let's go see how we do in this race. It's a B main race. I think I'm starting in position 3 with the TLR 5.0 DC Elite. Netcruzer RC Racing with Gen 6 batteries. I'm running a RS, which I believe these are being phased out. This is a 5500 milliamp hour shorty RS battery. The replacement to this in the modern, if you're going to buy one of these right now, get the Redline 5100. So it's a little bit less capacity, but it's more powerful. So this is the battery that I would recommend if you're doing 2S racing. I really like this one. It's a mix of capacity versus weight versus punch. So yeah, let's go out there, see how we do in this race.
The one at Green Buck is very
on the road, three-wheel drive, B main on the center of the tone, less than 5. Here we go, keep that turn and roll. Batteries on holes in the back.
Okay, I'm up to 2.
Oh, Brian, yeah. Back to the organization traffic with 1. There's 2 only not white, and 3 holding back.
This is much better with that battery moved back a bit.
Brian on the line right now. John on the line. Jack over the line. That's the 1 2 3. Jack looking at the new one. John now. Hooked on blue. Brian's trying to get as much gap as he can. For Jack at 5 and push the 1.
Jack's right on me now.
Oh, Jack is a little sideways and split lane against John's breathing room.
Thank you.
Right there.
Ah!
Oh, John gets the play. Jack's up on Jack's upside down. John's going to let him go. But Jack lets him right back by.
We're being extra courteous to each other there. Whoa!
Oh, John sideways, Jack is by. John puts Jack into the plate. Oh, John puts the plate. We don't know. Come on, John. Go get it. Metal, picks up 2 buckets. That's wide, not a state. Let Brian by. The Brian's actually starting to come up on the rear.
Ah!
He's got a huge lead. Huge. Oh, come on. So Brian's 2-lap third place. He's more than half a lap ahead of Jack in 1 second.
It's the thing with the 2-wheel. Once you get it in the dust, not much you can do except for wear it off. Oh, that's me again. I think the car's okay, it's just my driving. $30 seconds left. Ah, dang it. That's two-wheel drive for you. All right, I think I got third there because Jack got by. And Brian held the whole race, so yeah, that was two-wheel drive. Alright guys, that was two-wheel drive B-Main with the TLR 22 5.0 DC Elite. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.